we are going to study about the fourth chapter of geography, that is industry. In this chapter, we will read about what is an industry, which of the economic sector it is, what are the types of the industries, what are the factors that affect the industries. Okay, so these are the topics we have to read in this chapter. So today we are starting what the word industry means. Industry refers to an economic activity. What is an economic activity? Any activity which is doing to earn money, that is known as economic activity. ये सारी गतिविधियाँ जो हम पैसे कमाने के लिए करते हैं उनको कहते हैं इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, उनको आर्थिक गतिविधि कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इंडस्ट्री रेफर्स टू इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी दैट इज कंसर्न, किससे जुड़ा हुआ है? कंसर्न इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स, वस्तुओं का उत्पादन, along with that extraction of minerals, धातुओं का निष्कर्षण, जो खनिज है खनिजों का निष्कर्षण, एंड द प्रोविजन ऑफ सर्विसेज, जो हम सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. जैसे हमने ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ले लिया, हमने हॉस्पिटलिटी में जाते हैं तो सब हर सेक्टर, जैसे टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री है, इनके लिए जो प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए, जैसे व्हीकल्स चाहिए, टेंट चाहिए, तो दैट थिंग को जो प्रोडक्शन करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंडस्ट्री. ओके, दिस इंडस्ट्री इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज. द इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेक्टर्स ऑफ इकोनॉमी, तो इंडस्ट्री टेक्स प्लेस इन द सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री. ओके, secondary sector of the economy and also known as a manufacturing sector. What is the difference between manufacturing and construction? Manufacturing में भी हम चीज़ों को बनाते हैं, construction में भी बनाते हैं. The Hindi, when we go to the Hindi word, the construction means निर्माण and manufacturing means विनिर्माण. वस्तुओं का जब निर्माण करते हैं, हमने फैन बना लिया, व्हीकल बना दिए, कार बना दी, ऑटोमोबाइल बना दिए, that is called the manufacturing. Okay, and construction refers to the building construction, dams construction, these are the construction which are also part of the secondary sector. Okay, so industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods as well as extraction of minerals and provide provisions of services. Okay, it is a secondary activity known as manufacturing sector. Clear? Examples of the industry, these are the examples like iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry, we produce steel, produce iron sheets here. Okay. Now the coal mining industry, we produce the coal for the thermal power plant. Clear? Now there is the tourism industry, we provide a provision of the services for the tourism sector. Clear? Now come to the classification of industry. Broadly, we divide the industry on the basis of three parts. Okay. First, based on the raw materials. If we divide the industry on the basis of raw material, we divide it into four parts. Agro-based industry, the industry which is completely based on the agriculture products. Agriculture, it means that any crops and the animal products. It means that they use plants and animals-based products. That industry is known as the agro-based industry. Now come to the second one, that is mineral-based industry. They use the minerals as a resource. Suppose that gold is a mineral. जितने भी ornaments industries है, it is based upon the minerals. Gold. Clear? This is a type of industry. Now, जैसे आपका coal-based industries, thermal power plant, energy-based industries, nuclear power plant, these all are the part of the mineral-based industries. Now, come to the marine-based industries. Marine means sea, oceans, lakes, ponds. These are the types of water bodies. So, marine, sea and oceans are known as the marine. Any fish products or any marine products, like we use the seafood, we used to eat seafood. The seafood is an industry that is based on marine. Okay, because the products, the raw products that come from the sea. Suppose that you want to eat tuna fish, the tuna fish industry is based on marine foods. Okay, now come to the next, that is forest-based industry. Forest-based industry means that industry who utilize the products from the forest. The forest mined from, like suppose that you want honey, forest-based honey, rubber, gum. These are the examples of the forest-based industry. Okay. So on the basis of raw materials, we divide the industry into four parts: agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, marine-based industry, and the forest-based industry. Now come to the next scale. Based on size. On the basis of size, we divide the industry into two parts. The first one is the small scale, and the second one is the large scale. अब the word is self-explanatory. Small means what? Small in the investment, small in the capital, small in the labor. कम लोग होंगे, कम पैसा लगा होगा, कम उत्पादन होगा, less production होगा. That is called the small scale. Large scale means large investment, large capital, large number of laborers work, large number of machines are involved in that the production. Production is also large. So the small scale industries and the large scale industries. The small scale industries like water or household industry, घरेलू उत्पादन. In the people produce products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. The people produce the goods by their own hands without machine. Okay, in the small sectors they have a very less number of machines, but there sometimes there is no machine available. All the work is done by their hands. Examples: basket weaving, टोकरी बनाना, pottery, मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाना. There are very less number of machines are involved in this, and sometimes there is no machine. When you go to a potter, you will find that there is only a wheel. एक चक्का होता है, उसके बीच में वो लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना बर्तन बनाते हैं. There's a very less number of machines. ये बहुत छोटा सा machine है, simple. Now come to the large scale industry. The large scale industry that produces large amount of products. Large scale, इनका production बहुत ज़्यादा है. They produce a lot of goods. Okay, and investment of capital is very high. ज़्यादा पैसा भी लगाए होंगे, production भी ज़्यादा होता होगा, staff भी ज़्यादा होते होंगे. ठीक है? जैसे एग्जाम्पल बात कर सकते हैं प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल. अब 4-wheeler बनाना है. 4-wheeler बनाने के मशीन चाहिए बड़े-बड़े. Production of automobile, production of heavy machinery. These are the examples of the large scale industry. So, on the basis of size, we divide the industry into two parts: small scale industry and the large scale industry. Clear? Now come to the third topic. That is based on the ownership. Who will be the owner of that industry? Suppose that a particular person is owner, then it is known as the private industry. Suppose that government is the owner, government is the owner of that company, then it is known as the public industry. Okay. Third is the joint sector, in which the private sector and the public sector both are indulged in that. Okay. So this is known as the joint sector, and the fourth one is the cooperative. When a group of people combine together to form a company, that is called the cooperative sector. On the basis of ownership, संपत्ति के मतलब स्वामी के आधार पर, स्वामित्व के आधार पर चार पार्ट में बांटते हैं. पहला निजी, प्राइवेट, जिसमें किसी एक आदमी का पैसा लगा है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज है. दूसरा पब्लिक सेक्टर, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट का पैसा लगा हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट ओनर ओन करते हैं उसको, दैट इज पब्लिक सेक्टर. थर्ड वन इज जॉइंट, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट और किसी पार्टिकुलर कंपनी, पब्लिक कंपनी को दोनों मिलकर आपस में ऐड करते हैं. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द कोऑपरेटिव, जिसमें 10, 20, 50 लोग मिलकर एक समूह बनाते हैं, कोऑपरेटिव बनाते हैं और उसमें किसी कंपनी को ओन करते हैं. क्लियर? So these are the classification of the industries on the basis of raw material, on the basis of the size, and on the basis of ownership. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now thank you.